Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechSolve. Today I'll walk you through on how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. Open up your Google Sheets containing the data you want to make into a pie chart. Now, let's make this data into a pie chart. You select all the data you want to make into a pie chart. Then you click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen and you select Charts. Now, Google will automatically impute a bar chart for you. You can adjust the chart by double-clicking on it and dragging it as you want. Now, to change this chart into a pie chart, in the chart type at the right-hand side of the screen, you click on it and you select a pie chart. You can choose whatever pie chart method graph you want. So, now your table or your data has been converted into a pie chart. You can choose to change the title of the pie chart by clicking on this here and you edit it to whatever you want to. You can also choose to make whatever customizations you want. You can choose to change the color. And many lovely designs you want. You can also click on the three dots inside the chart to edit, to delete, to download, to publish, copy, and whatever you want to do with your pie charts. So guys, that is how you make a pie chart in Google Sheets. Hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you do, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Bye guys, see you next time.